temporary ran a detached.
Stop sign and then.
2020 Ford Explorer black in color out of Wisconsin on 1059.
I copy. I was just side by side with him, and he's disregarded me completely. He almost went head on again with the vehicle.
For the construction zone, break. Northwest Command 50, get that 600 from on the radio.
I copy.
On the route from Cortez by the port.
I copy. Break 511. Are you going to TBI?
I just attempted TVI. I missed. I'm going to reattempt.
For Mason Marshal's office, can you hear me? Let's set up for talk. House break, please.
I copy.
About 11, successful TVI, one at gunpoint.
Hi, copy. TBI, one at gunpoint. Can you confirm location?
Get out of the vehicle! Step out of the vehicle!
It's probably going to be around the 48, 49.
I copy.
Break, Northwest Command 50th, National Parks is monitoring Mesa Verde. Take it the closest to respond to help them out. If not, have maintenance head.
I copy.
Face away from me, put your hands in the air!
5 out of 4 from the 62.
504, I copy from the 62, 1104.
Put your hands in the air!
Montrose 5 out of 7 from the 76.
5 out of 7, I copy 76, 1105.
Keep turning! Keep turning! Stop!
1105.
Walk backwards to the sound of my voice! Stop! Put your hands in the air!
Cortez in CT-15.
MC 215.
And 24 10
1105.
Walk your hands out in front of you.
Cortez in CT-4.
Lay on your
Montrose Walleye 327. I'm westbound at the 54 on 160. Triple need assistance.
A-firm, going to be Highway 160, about milepost 48 to the 49, right before construction zone. Have a trooper TDI the vehicle, one at gunpoint.
Higher! Higher! Turn around! Keep turning! Keep turning! Keep turning! Stop! Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Stop. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Get down on your knee. Walk your hands out in front of you and lay on your stomach. Put your hands out to your sides. Cross your ankles. Put your heels to your butt with your legs crossed. Do not move. Do you understand?
Yes.
Is there anyone else in the vehicle?
No. I'm on the side.
Don't move. Keep.
What happened back there? Did I hit a hole or something? I wasn't speeding. I thought I was paying attention.
Montrose 5 Admiral.
Through Stanley, heading up towards Leo. Eastbound on Leo. Traffic's moderate through Mill Road, still eastbound on Leo. It's occupied twice. There's a female in the front seat. The boy's gonna be the driver. Still eastbound.
In Dayton, Ohio,
Eastbound on Leo.
in a dramatic escalation that unfolded within seconds, what began as a routine observation quickly turned into a high-risk police pursuit.
Traffic moderate. He's still eastbound. His car damaged.
On the evening of April 13th, 2026, at approximately 6:30 p.m., an officer positively identified a suspect wanted in connection with a homicide investigation, who was driving a vehicle in the area. The moment the officer positioned the patrol unit behind him, the suspect suddenly accelerated, making a clear attempt to flee.
Westbound up there. Train southbound on Sydney. Free train westbound on Dayton.
He's going to lose it here. His car damaged. He's going to attempt to pit.
Keep your hands up.
We're getting the driver out now. Taking 3 hands.
Your hands too up. Get out.
Get out, car. 1 minute. Ow! Hey, you just put more.
Your call has been updated.
Looks like it's occupied at least 2 or 3 times.
You have to die. I can't go back to prison. Those were the terrifying words of a convicted felon as he kidnapped a woman and led police on a violent 100 miles per hour chase. Officers spotted the victim hanging out of the vehicle's door, screaming for help after being held against her will for days.
We're trying to catch up. You know, did we run that tag?
Still medium traffic. Speed's about 50.
Temporary ran a detachment, please.
Your call has been updated.
Northbound service road on the east side I-35. Front
24 is a minute. Okay, we're going on the service. Go his mark. Coming up to 16 there pretty soon. Hey, Burton, let's in front. See if I can get him in a corner.
10. Yeah. East on 16th for my 3rd grand.
Coming up to right. They're gonna get meters. Stop sign and then north. Right up to 23rd Street. If anyone's up there, I'll try to get I'll try to get up here in a second. Eastbound 23rd. I'm trying to get up to the yard off at 35. Yeah, close. If I can get ahead of you, I'll try to keep you eye in the corner.
Yeah, that's what I've been trying to do, but this car won't keep up. We're eastbound, about 100 miles an hour, 23rd, coming up to Coltrane.
We're in between the traffic and our lives. We're going for 3 rounds. Take him. Alright, give me on.
Take him. Alright, TBI.
Show me your head. Hey, go back there. Hey, fuck, shoot, I don't give a fuck.
Hey, show us your hands!
Bro, you gotta keep doing all that, bro.
Relax, man. Relax. Stand up straight.
Fuck. Stand up.